This is not my project, but it is an important project, and that is they're putting in a new water main. And it looks like that'll feed, I guess, all of Zehr Estate. I was thinking maybe one ended here, another one picked up there, but it appears to go right up the street, the whole street. So water's important, very important. And we did notice over the years, we've noticed kind of rust or rust colored stuff, and especially in the bungalow. So it'd be interesting to see if this takes care of that. But it does look like it's a good sized main. So again, not my project, but very important to the property, the future, and hopefully it goes well, and hopefully connecting it doesn't change the line from the house to the main, but it at least makes sure that the main is all good. So that's good to know. Okay, let's get back at our roofing project, which is way up there. We'll be almost at the top in that area. Right into that area. Okay, let's get to work.